Hello, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., aka Aranya Grande. That's Big Spider if you don't hablo español, and I am super excited to announce the Art of Reading Price Section 30-day bootcamp. Now I know you may be wondering, well, Tim, we just had the Art of Reading Price Section mentorship. What's the difference between the mentorship and the bootcamp? Well, unlike the mentorship, this is a month-long bootcamp for up to 20 people where I will be dedicating the entire month of January to share my understanding of the ICT concepts and how to use them on a day-to-day basis. Not only will I just be sharing my understanding of the ICT concepts, but once you're inside the private Discord, you'll have access to weekly Q&As, you'll have access to weekly homework reviews, you'll have access to at least 14 tape reading sessions, and you'll have access to the private Discord for up to 6 months after the boot camp ends. And at the end of the boot camp, each individual that's inside the boot camp will have an opportunity to schedule and conduct a 1-hour one-on-one coaching session with myself. Now, the boot camp will be broke down into 4 phases. Phase 1 will be a revamp of the Art of Reading Price Section educational material. Phase 2 will begin our tape reading sessions. And phase 3, we will move into developing strategies for those that are unable to develop their own strategy. I will work with you to come up with a strategy that fits your trader identity or your trading style. And phase 4 will be a combination of tape reading, Q&As, and we will start to schedule the one-on-one coaching sessions for everyone involved. Now, let's get to the meat and potatoes. How much does it cost? Well, the Art of Reading Price Action Bootcamp will go on sale beginning December 1st, 2024 for the price of $1,000. But if you are a current member of the gang, you have a special discount code inside the Discord right now, which you can use up until December 25th to get 75% off that $1,000. So it will be $250 for any current gang members if you use the code that's inside the Discord. Now, for everyone else, you have a discount code for 50% off that's good until December the 14th. And that discount code is SPIDER50. Again, for everyone that's not a member of the Spider Gang Discord already, your discount code is SPIDER50 and it's good for 50% off, and you can use that coupon code up until December the 14th. Now, it's first come, first serve. It's only available for up to 20 people. So once it's gone, it's gone. Take advantage of it today, and I hope to see you on the inside. Again, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., aka Aranya Grande. That's Big Spider if you don't hablo español. Y'all be safe out here in these trade streets, man. Gone.